think it's more than music, you know, we're personalities, so you talk about more than music. I mean, if all you talked about was music, but there's more to us than just writing songs. I mean, we do other things and we have characters, and depends what you talk about. Of course, music is important to me, and because that's my life. Happiness is the most important thing. And if I'm happy, then it shows in my work. I'm just me.
How would you describe yourself as an artist?
No, myself as an artist. I'm just a musical prostitute, my dear. Just a